Hi everyone, it's me again. This is the camcorder I was telling you guys that I got. That was the one that I originally wanted, and I was able to find it at Meijer. So that's one good thing, I was able to find it. I'm just now getting ready to open it. Hopefully. Not very easy to open. Okay. Camcorder that I wanted. Oh, looks like it's got a light on it too. It's not as big as what I thought it would be. It's a little bit smaller than this one, so. It's a little bit smaller than this one. I'm just now going to get everything out of the packaging. There's a USB wire. But yeah, this is the one that I wanted to get. It's actually not as big as what I thought it would be. It's actually pretty small, and I can do this and film like this. So even if I wanted to, I could film like this. So yeah, it's by a well-known brand, Vivitar. But yeah, I figured I'd share this with everybody. I'm going to stop right here. Please like, please subscribe, and I will talk to you guys soon. Have a good day. Bye.